Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It's Coach Chris from ESChannels.com coming at you at 6 o'clock Central Daylight Time on Friday, October 25th, 2024. Coming at you with my recap of trading the ES Channels system today. Well, another day in the green. I think that's either 4 or 5 days in the green. Not a huge day again, and it's my own fault. I should have had a huge day, and I'll show you in a second why that didn't happen. But I ended up with $83.75 of gross profit. Total profit was $125, and had $36 in two losing trades, which here again, it has to do with the accounting of how Trade Evade accounts for when you have multiple contracts at the same time. But anyway, what I want to draw your attention to is down here on the two losing trades. They claim I was in those trades for 5 hours and 27 minutes. Can you imagine? And I'll show you when I get to the chart what happened today. And just totally frustrating here. The longest trade, 5 hours, 49 minutes. Average trade, 4 hours and 36 minutes. I mean, it was an insane day. I killed at scalping, I have to admit that. And I had put some trades on this, and I don't know. I'll tell you in a minute what happened. So gross profit, $88. Remember, I'm looking to make $50 to $150 a day consistently with the system. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but here again, if you've been watching me with copy trading over multiple accounts, I want to be consistent winner in that $100 to $150 range, copy traded over enough accounts. It's going to give me a huge, huge monthly income. Okay, so let me get this off the screen. I woke up to some other good news here. Past another take profit trader. They call them, I forget what they call them, I guess evaluation accounts, and then you graduate to the pro account. So far I'm liking it. Their eval accounts are fairly expensive compared to a company like a company like Apex. But one of the nice things, they have a promo going that you pay a monthly fee while you're in the eval, but then there's no fee to upgrade to the pro account, which is normally $130. With this company, I think Apex is normally $135. During their current promo, it's only $85, which is a great advantage. Great sale right now. That's for the lifetime. So once you pay that fee, same with Top Step, then you have no additional monthly fees to pay. And these are eligible for funding. So that was another nice little thing I woke up to, and I got within like $50 of another XFA on Top Step as well, 50K XFA. So cruising along. Here are the trades for today. And let me just go back to make sure these were the original trades. I was doing something different today. I was going to test. Now, normally, when you look at this chart and you see this huge balloon like this, never, ever, ever trade during those market conditions. We want our lines to be nice and horizontal like they are in this section. We don't want this big up or this big down. It skews everything. But what you'll also notice is I'm testing something out. I added another line. Normally, we'd have this blue basis line, which is our average where price likes to revert back to. And then the channels would start here with the green lines above and same down here. I added a purple line, and I'm calling that the scalping line. It's halfway between the first channel, because what I wanted to do was add some quicker trades in there. These are going to be like somewhere around $40 trades, $25 to $40 to maybe $50 trades, quick trades in and out. So this morning, at what was it? We were starting to see some movement in the market. So at 6:30, I went short at the purple line, which is the halfway point, hoping this thing would come back in and I'd make a quick scalp. Well, the opposite happened. It started trickling up and got up to the normal green line. So I sold another contract. The market started coming down. And now it was like 7:30ish. We were approaching market open. And then the price reversed back up to the normal green line. I got into another contract. So now I'm short 3 contracts with an average price probably in this range, okay? Well, what happened was then the market opened at 8:30 and all HE double hockey sticks broke out. We had an initial push down, and I'm thinking, well, great, this thing will bring me down, and I can get out of these 3 contracts with a nice profit. Well, wouldn't you know, what happened is this thing went vertical, huge up bar, and it just kept climbing and climbing from what was it? From the open here at 8:30 all the way to looks to be about 9:30ish. So finally, and you can see how when the price action moves up that fast, it pulls and skews everything up with it. And so now I'm in, at this point when I added this one, I'm in for 4 contracts, or was I for four contracts, I guess it was, at this point, and I'm upside down about $100 a piece. And was hoping that the market started to reverse. Well, this is a 5-minute chart, so after about 10-15 minutes, finally the market reversed and started coming back down. And at what time was it here? Looks to be about what is this? Maybe 1:30 in the afternoon. I finally closed out all of the contracts. So crazy day, a lot of movement. And then after that, the market just dropped all the way down here to the red line late in the afternoon. So we went from one extreme way up to the other extreme way down. So there you have it. Friday's in the books. We'll see you next week.